So hello everybody, my name is Andika Duncan. I'm the broker of Showstopper Realty, and I'd like you to meet Craig Johnson from Canopy Mortgage. And Craig's been in the industry for over 29 years, and he has
29 years.
very creative solutions to make the numbers work for you. And go ahead, Craig, introduce yourself a little bit.
Thanks, Andika. I appreciate it. You know, the big thing that we definitely want to make sure is people have the very best information so that they can make the very best decisions for their specific situations for sure. And it can be very confusing, but both Andika and I for sure are all in on making sure that you feel comfortable and confident in any decisions that you make, because we know this is obviously a very big decision in looking at becoming a homeowner or purchasing a new home. So, whatever the case may be, we're here to serve you.
Yes, can you tell the people just a little bit about your program to make it more affordable, at least in the first couple of years, to make the mortgage a little bit more affordable?
Sure. I think, obviously, with all the noise out there about high interest rates, which interest rates are high, and obviously prices are also a little high, there is absolutely a way to make affordability happen. And it really lies in the simplicity of using both seller concessions, which is obviously instead of doing a price drop or asking for a reduction in price when you go and make an offer, you would actually want to use that money to reduce the interest rate. And we can show you the difference between those. But on a typical $300,000 home today, if you took a $10,000 price drop and thought that that would really help, which $10,000 is a lot of money, it only changes the monthly payment by about $60 a month. But if we take that money of $10,000 and apply it to buying the interest rate down, we can actually lower the monthly payment by nearly $400 a month. So
And that's a lot.
that is a lot, and it's a lot for all of us. That's a lot of money. And just again, and being able to present that in the way to the seller, right? So that they understand it. Because, you know, as you may be listening to this, again, it can be overwhelming for sure. And I think making it simple, as I often say, we take one bite of the elephant. So we'll make sure that we do that and give you an opportunity to take advantage of all the programs that are out there, because there's also down payment assistance programs. There are some great programs for those that are looking to buy in even a rural area with zero down payment. So there's just great ways. And our veterans, of course, on our VA loans with 100% financing. Great, great opportunities for so many people. They're just not aware of all of them. And that's where Andika and I both come into play and make sure that you're aware of everything. She's a great negotiator, and she'll make sure that she's fighting for you. I'll
For
make sure
sure.
we support her with the right documents and even have conversations with the listing agent, of course,
Yes.
and make sure that listing agent feels comfortable and confident that you are not only, you know, wanting, but you are ready, willing, and able to get this done.
Yes, and also, Craig, I want to encourage people if they are already pre-approved from another source to reach out to you for a second opinion, because many times people use online mortgage companies that are out of state, or some other even local mortgage brokers that are not always available. And it's very important to have somebody who is approachable and available to answer questions, write up pre-approval letters when we have to put in an offer, because time is of the essence. And sometimes just reaching out, getting the documents ready on time, submitting your offer on time can win the deal for you.
Very much so. Very much so. And like you said, I think also being able to have a partnership that both obviously you and I trust each other and we know how each other not only works, but our expectation of how each of us will perform. Because at the end of the day, the other part of our goal is that we will create an experience that you will want to tell family, friends, and coworkers about so
Yes.
that we can serve them as we are going to serve you. Because obviously, it's a lot better that we have an opportunity to serve a referral, which we absolutely love, but we've got to make that experience so great that you will want to refer us.
All my buyers will be very glad to meet you and experience your expertise and your knowledge because they have to understand what they're signing. Sometimes I met people after they purchased a home, they did not understand how the loan was structured. For example, new home construction, they were not explained how the tax and insurance may change after the first year. And we definitely want to make sure that when we work with buyers, they understand what they're signing.
100%. And then even on the selling side, as we kind of lean on the other side, giving the sellers the ability to also see not only will their house draw attention to it, but when we put the right financing with that house, we can attract more buyers as well.
So we cannot put a sign in the yard anymore because those days are gone.
They are absolutely, and the creativity that it takes for both agent and now, lender to work together and make sure that that opportunity of home buying opens up to more and more people because of the creativity of financing and being able to take advantage of all the tools that are out there and making sure those that can buy and want to buy have a way to become homeowners.
Absolutely.
So,
All right.
very good.
Thank you so much, Craig, for this introduction. I think our buyers and sellers will be very pleased to meet you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Look forward to it.